Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Van Cleef & Arpels to order my 2 items from the wish list, and I'm so excited about them, and I'll show to you some additional items that I quite like at the moment. I hope that you will find this video interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Do consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is Black and Gold Style. Please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. I came across this watch a few months ago when I was browsing the website and I fell in love with them. I just had to see them in person. They are so gorgeous. Earlier this year, I purchased 3 motif earrings with onyx, gray mother of pearl, and white mother of pearl. And when I saw this watch, I just had to go and try it on and see how it looks on me. I feel like this watch is like a work of art. It's so special and it's so feminine. It feels quite light and rather comfortable, and I like the way it stacks with my Cartier Love bracelet and with my Cartier Clash ring. They look so good together. This watch is just so stunning. I really like it. I feel like this color combination is so versatile. It will look amazing with most of the clothes. White mother of pearl, gray mother of pearl, and onyx are so gorgeous. I feel like with this watch you don't even need to have any bracelets. This watch is like a bracelet on its own. The only thing is, it will take a while to get used to the time and there is no date, which I can understand because it's such a gorgeous and feminine design. If you add a date there, it will probably ruin it, so I get it. If you ask me what would be my favorite brand for watches, and of course I will say it's Rolex, and I absolutely love their watches. But I feel like this design is so special and so elegant, and I could definitely consider adding it to my collection in the future. I could see myself wearing this design even when I'm 70 because it's so timeless. Next up is this gorgeous ring. It's so beautiful and it is also on my wish list. And I previously tried it on in white gold and that ring was stunning as well, but I feel like now I'm gravitating towards the yellow gold even more. I like the way it looks with my Cartier Love bracelet. I feel like it would look amazing with my watch as well. It's so pretty. Perlée collection is so beautiful and I like almost every single item from there. I also tried on a bracelet in yellow gold and in white gold as well in my videos, and I'll try to find it and link it in the description box below for you guys. I feel like once I finish collecting Alhambra, every single item that I want from that collection, I could potentially move on to Perlée because it's so beautiful and I really like it. And here is another ring from the same collection. This one is in yellow gold as well and has the diamonds. It's so sparkly and shiny, you can see it a mile away. It's a different style, but I still like it. Which one do you guys prefer? This design or the previous one that I showed to you? I actually prefer the previous one. I feel like it's a bit more my style. But please let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. Moving on to the frivole necklace, and this one is so pretty. And if you watched my previous videos, you know that I have one ring in between the fingers ring and 2 pairs of earrings in yellow gold, exactly the same, and I absolutely love them. I wear them very often. I'm so obsessed with this collection, so I was thinking if I should add the necklace, but maybe it would be too much with my other items. But the necklace is gorgeous. The only thing is the flowers are rolling around, They're not exactly staying in one place. Maybe I should wear it with a different top. Maybe I should wear it with a strapless top, or maybe with a low neck, V-shaped neck. Otherwise, with this sweater, it keeps falling down. You can see I have to constantly adjust the flowers. Oh well, but it's so gorgeous. I like it a lot. I will be trying on a few necklaces today. And the next one is this black onyx pendant. And I will also try on it with those vintage Alhambra earrings in onyx as well. And will show to you. I'm so obsessed with onyx at the moment. It's so gorgeous. Previously, I was more of bracelets, earrings, and rings kind of person. But now I'm so in love with necklaces. They are so gorgeous and they can help to elevate outfit, they can make it a bit more fun. And this black onyx necklace can also be paired with the white mother of pearl necklace exactly in the same size. This necklace can be adjusted and you can make it shorter, and for example the other necklace could be longer, so you can pair them together. I also feel like black onyx can match so many outfits. It can match pretty much any color I can think of, even more than white mother of pearl. But both of the stones are so versatile and special, and both are on my wish list, and I just can't wait to unbox the items that I purchased. Well, I pre-ordered one and I'm waiting for it to arrive, but I already have the second item with me. I have been wearing it a lot, but I'm trying not to take pictures with it because I want to record a proper unboxing video for you guys. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. I want to try on this necklace with the earrings in onyx as well. They are currently on my wish list and I want to see how all of them will look together. Actually, I wanted to try on these earrings in the magic size, but unfortunately the store only has one size, which is a vintage. And I think it's quite beautiful. I like how both of them look together, but it would be nice to compare it with the vintage size. It would be great to compare them side by side. Here is another necklace that I have never tried on before. I only saw it in catalogs or on Instagram. But it's nice to check it out in real life, and I like the different sizes of mother of pearl and the color combinations. And by the way, I'm still trying it on with the necklace and the earrings that I was trying on before. I quite like the fact that you can stack it with different necklaces. In fact, most of Alhambra pieces look so good together and it's so nice. I like to create different variations, different looks, and that's why I love Van Cleef & Arpels so much. Since these pieces were available at the store, I just wanted to try on one more time before I make my decision to purchase two other items from VCA. I wanted to see how the necklace looks on me. I really like the way it matches my earrings, and the other day I actually came and I was wearing a different outfit and I feel like the white mother of pearl did not pop in it, but with this sweater, even with this dark light, I still can see it. It's not bad. I quite like this look. It's so difficult to make a decision when you like every single item in a store and you just have to choose the best because you simply can't get every single item. It's not responsible. So yeah, it's a tough choice, and Van Cleef is probably one of the few brands where I have this when I literally can't make a decision because I love every single item, but I need to be sure in my decisions because I'm planning to space out my gratifications and I also want to have something to look forward to. That's why I want to be 120% sure in my decision. Anyways, here is another bracelet that I wanted to try on. It's so pretty, but I'm not sure if it suits me. I will also try on earrings and show to you. Actually, I like the way the bracelet looks with my Cartier Love and with the ring. It's a beautiful combination. Of course, the original size of the bracelet is too big. I would have to reduce the size by at least 3 centimeters. But then again, if I want to make a necklace out of it, I would probably have to keep the original length. I will have to think about this bracelet. I will take my time and make my decision. Moving on to the earrings, I think they're very beautiful. I like the stone, but I'm not sure if they look a little bit too dull on me. I'm not sure if it's the outfit that I'm currently wearing, or it's just the light in the store, or maybe I should just try it on with the dark red outfit. I would need to think about this ones. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!